Look at our snowman over there. Well, I guess there's one here. Little one and a big one there. Made a snowman with the boy. That's cool. That's his little fence with sticks. Bébé, il est beau ton chandail, il est beau ton habit. Oops, that was my shirt. I like how she's dressed today. Very nice. Oh, Coco, est-ce que tu l'aimes ton habit? Michelangelo, merci. She's gonna go check out my shirt situation. Alright. Why did you put that there, Mama? Why did you do that? Hello, Leon. So we went for a visit, I will say somewhere, to see some family, and the kids got a bunch of toys, a bunch of presents, snow globe and some Star Wars things, and the baby got this little computer, which Leon is now apparently obsessed with, and they also got this Star Wars Darth Vader car, right, Leon?
Yeah.
Both look good. Very, very lucky that somebody gave them all that stuff. It's very, very lucky and very, very nice of them. Wow. Darth Vader prize. It's a little bit noisy in here right now, though. Matilda! Wow. Oh, the party's over here. Oh, let's see. Oops. Let's put those over there with the box. You enjoying your car? Oh gosh.
Just went all the way here.
Oh boy.
It's going here.
See, baby.
Hey, you car. Don't touch my private.
Cutie pie.
Now, car. You're not stronger than me. Look, Mama, this is step 1.
All right, good job.
And step 2, see?
Yep, that's step 2.
Okay, the wheels, I found the wheels, the tires. Found one. Actually, it's great. Pretty cool. So, something we gotta find like this and that.
Okay.
And this is the fire.
Hmm?
Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Where is it?
Oh, you need 2 of them. Beautiful boy. Mon grand coquin d'amour. Do you like playing with Lego?
Yeah. So, the next part is next. We gotta find one of these parts.
Break. Oh, wait. Oh, let's see. Did you have fun today, baby? Oh, wait. Ah ouais! Léo, il fait des blocs Lego. Tu trouves ça drôle? Wow. Wow. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Oh! Are you okay?
I'm gonna stand on my tippy toes.
Does that help?
Whoa.
With your tired legs when you do that?
Yeah, because my toes are not tired, so.
Okay. So what were you saying about the frog?
The frog does this when he says oopsie daisies.
Aww.
Yeah.
Do you know what the name of the frog is? Oh, I think it's Cha-Cha. Oh, I see.
I said joking.
You were joking?
I was joking.
Hey, do you want to say thank you for watching? See you tomorrow?
You can say it.
Aw, okay then.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Awesome.
Or maybe see you tomorrow.
Whee! Oh.